Hello students, how are you? Good morning all of you. Welcome to Dr. Sanjay Singh Biology Tutorials. Today, now we are going to discuss the new content of this chapter's eukaryotic cell. First of all, what is the meaning of eukaryotic cell? The eukaryotic cell means well organized nucleus present in the cell, means all the eukaryotic cell, all the eukaryotic organisms having well organized nucleus, that is known as eukaryotic cell. This is the first important property, well developed nucleus present in the eukaryotic cell. Second important characteristics of eukaryotic cell, membrane bound cell organelles are present. What is the membrane bound cell organelles? For example, endoplasmic reticulums, lysosomes, mitochondria, etc. all are present in the eukaryotic cell. Linear DNA with histone protein. In all eukaryotic cell, linear DNA are found, but in prokaryotic cell, circular DNA are found without histone protein. This is the another important property of the eukaryotic cell. Some examples, they are belonging to the eukaryotic cell: protists, fungi, animalia, as well as plantae. Basically, there are two types of organisms. They are well developed, well organized. The first is the plant cell, another is the animal cell. They are belonging to eukaryotic cell. First of all, what is the basic differences between plant cell as well as animal cell? The plant cell, the first important property of the plant cell, larger size cell, मतलब इनके जो सेल की जो साइज होती है लार्जर इन कंपेरिजन टू द एनिमल सेल. एनिमल सेल, द साइज ऑफ द सेल आर स्मॉलर. एंड द सेकेंड differences between plant and animal cell, plastids are present. Yes, this is the second differences, that is known as plastid. Plastid is a type of cell organelles. There are three types of plastid present in the plants. First is the leucoplast, second is the chloroplast, and third is the chromoplast. The leucoplast is a type of colorless, mostly found in the non-greenish part of the plant, for example in roots. And the chloroplast, they having photosynthetic pigments, therefore they are mostly found in the green part of the plant, like leaves. They are important role for photosynthesis. And the chromoplast, this is the colorful compound, colorful pigments. They are mostly observed in fruits. For example, tomato. In the initial state, tomato colors are green in color. At the time of ripening, tomato green color converted into red color due to presence of chromoplast. So plastid is the very important cell organelles only found in the plant cell, absent in the animal cell. The third difference, that is known as plant vacuoles, larger in size, and they are present. अब यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, here is the structure of the plant cell. Here the central vacuoles present in the center area, and the nucleus, they are located on the periphery region of the cell. So plant vacuoles are larger in size. They are present in the center of the cell in case of plant, but in case of the animal cell, the animal vacuoles are smaller in size. They are many in numbers and temporarily present, may be absent. There is no any important role of the vacuoles in the animal cell, but in case of the plant cell, various type of cell sap, they are stored inside the plant vacuole. This is the very important property. Another differences in the plant cell, centrosome and centrioles both absent, but in animal cell both present. What is the role of centrosome and centrioles? At the time of cell division, in case of animal cell, the spindle fibers are formed with the help of centrosome and centriole, but the centrosome and centrioles are totally absent in the plant. प्लांट में नहीं होता है. तो क्या इसमें माइटोटिक डिवीजन के टाइम जो स्पिंडल फाइबर जो फॉर्म होते हैं, क्या वह बन पाते नहीं है? यस, बनते हैं, बट एक स्पेसिफिक सेंटर present in the plant, and this center is known as MTOC center, microtubules organizing center, where spindle fibers are formed, where the spindle fibers are originated. So this center is known as MTOC center. In place of centrosome and centriole, MTOC centers are present. In case of animal cell, both centrosome and centrioles both are present, play very important role for spindle fiber formation. This is the last basic differences between plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell, the Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus is known as dictyosome, but in एनिमल सेल गोल्जी apparatus के नाम से गोल्जी apparatus मतलब वहाँ पर कोई भी चेंजेज नहीं होगा, गोल्जी apparatus और गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स का ही नाम दिया जाता. बट इन केस ऑफ द प्लांट सेल, गोल्जी apparatus is also known as dictyosome. Here is the dictyosome, Golgi apparatus, they are present in here. यहाँ पर ये प्रेजेंट्स होते हैं. आफ्टर दैट्स I discuss one by one in detail of eukaryotic cell. First of all, cell wall. Cell wall present in plant cell, present in plants, absent in animals. तो आप इस डायग्राम में भी देख सकते हो. हियर इज द प्लांट सेल. द आउटर कवरिंग ऑफ द प्लांट सेल इज दैट इज नोन एज सेल वॉल, बट इन केस ऑफ एनिमल सेल, तो सेल वॉल्स आर टोटली एब्सेंट. व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर्टी? द सेल वॉल आर rigid, solid, and they are made up of various chemical compounds. Chemical compounds are varies from fungi, algae and plantae. तो अगर आप इनमें देखोगे, अभी मैं बात डिस्कस करूंगा कि प्लांट सेल का जो केमिकल कंपोजिशन ऑफ द सेल वॉल्स वेरी इन फंगस, एल्गी एज वेल एज प्लांटे. द थिकनेस ऑफ द सेल वॉल वेरीज, ये भी वेरीज करता है 0.1 नैनोमीटर टू सेवरल नैनोमीटर. मीन्स सेल वॉल्स वेरी फ्रॉम organism to a cell wall thickness varies from organism to organism. In algal cell wall is made up of cellulose, galactons and mannans. This is the chemical compound mannans. All the chemical compound is important role for the formation of cell wall in case of algae or algal cell. In case of fungal cell wall, the fungal cell wall is made up of chitin. The chitin is also belonging to the polysaccharides. ये भी polysaccharides से belong करता है. And third is the plant cell wall. The plant cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose and pectins. तो आप ये देख सकते हो जो मैंने अभी बात कहा कि केमिकल कंपोजिशंस वेरीज फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनिज्म टू ऑर्गेनिजम्स. तो ये मेंशन इन हियर द एल्गल सेल वॉल दे आइदर दे आर मेड अप ऑफ सेलुलोज और galactons or mannans. The fungal cell wall is made up of chitins and the plant cell wall is made up of either cellulose, hemicellulose or pectins. Plant cell wall are well organized. They are divided into two layers: primary cell wall and secondary cell wall The primary cell walls क्या होती है? Primary cell wall are thin, single layer, flexible and expansion at the time of in the growing expansion in growing cells. But the secondary walls are thick. ये थिक होती है. many layers ये इंटरनली डिपॉजिट होते जाते हैं प्राइमरी वॉल्स के. एंड दे आर फाउंड इन यंगर plants. many layers, rigid, no expansion and found in mature plant. Found in mature plants. After that, what is the function of the cell wall? What is the function of cell wall? The first function, determine the shape of cell. Second important property, transport of materials in and out of the cell. And third important property, protect the cell from mechanical injury. Protect the cell from mechanical injury. This is the three important function of the cell wall. तो इस तरह से हम लोग ये जो सेल वॉल था टोटली फिनिश्ड. द आउटर कवरिंग ऑफ द प्लांट सेल that is known as cell wall. After that, the second layer of the plant cell as well as the first layer of the animal cell is known as cell membrane. Cell membrane. This is the second layer, cell membrane or plasma membrane. Cell membranes or plasma membrane. First of all, what is the general characteristics, what is the specific characteristics of the cell membranes or plasma membrane? Cell membranes or plasma membranes are thin, permeable में हम ये दोनों इसके बारे आइदर सेमी परमिएबल और सेलेक्टिव परमिएबल. Semi permeable means only water molecules, they can move from higher concentration to lower concentration through a membrane. तो ऐसे मेम्ब्रेन को हम बोलेंगे सेमी परमिएबल्स. and only selected molecules they can process from one side to another side. So this type of membrane is known as selective permeable membrane. So they are having both the properties found in the cell membranes or plasma membrane. After that, what is the chemical composition? Chemical composition of the plasma membrane. Chemical composition. The plasma membrane is made up of proteins, lipids plus carbohydrate. Protein, lipids and carbohydrate. But the percentage of carbohydrates are very, very low in comparison to proteins and lipids. One scientist, Singer and Nicholson in 1972 proposed fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. सिंगर एंड निकोलसन साहब ने क्या किया था, उन्होंने उसके प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के फ्लूइड मोज़ेक मॉडल के बारे में बताया विद द हेल्प ऑफ अल्ट्रा स्ट्रक्चर्स। इन्होंने ये बात बताई थी, इन्होंने कहा कि फ्लूइडिटी of the plasma membranes due to lipid molecules and mosaic property, arrangements of protein in mosaic fashion. मतलब जो प्रोटीन का जो अरेंजमेंट होता है लिपिड बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स के अंदर, वह मोजाइक फैशंस में आ जाते हैं। लिपिड मोस्टली फॉस्फोलिपिड्स, दे आर फाउंड ऑन द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन। हियर द वन डायग्राम्स ऑफ द सेल मेम्ब्रेन्स। दिस इज द अल्ट्रा स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ द सेल मेम्ब्रेन। दिस इज द फॉस्फोलिपिड bilayers. Inside them, in the some area, proteins they are present in here. This is phospholipid bilayers. There are two type of proteins, they are present on the plasma membrane on the basis of their position. Extrinsic protein, they are present on the outer sides, extrinsic protein, and they are easily dissociated from the phospholipid bilayers very easily. And another protein, they are embedded inside the phospholipid bilayer, that is known as intrinsic protein. एंड इंट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन फॉर्म ए चैनल्स, ये चैनल्स बना सकती हैं और पोर, फॉर्म ए चैनल्स और पोर बाई विच ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ मटेरियल फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टू इनसाइड और इनसाइड टू आउटसाइड, एंड हियर इज द फॉस्फोलिपिड bilayer. Last, what is the function of the plasma membrane? Number one, functions: transport of selected materials through membranes, formation of pseudopodia is a type of locomotory organs found in the amoeba, help in locomotion. तो pseudopodia का जो फॉर्मेशन होता है with the help of plasma membrane. Ingestion of food by invagination of plasma membrane, and this process is known as endocytosis. एंडोसाइटोसिस क्या होता है, अगर इसके बारे में अगर हम डायग्नोस्टिक समझा जाए, जैसे इन केस ऑफ अमीबा जब वो फूड को लेता है तो उसके जो मेम्ब्रेन्स होते हैं वो अंदर की तरफ पिंच ऑफ हो जाते हैं, इन्वेजिनेट हो जाते हैं आफ्टर देन पिंच ऑफ, एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज एंडोसाइटोसिस, क्योंकि उसके पास माउथ नहीं होता है, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन एंगेज द फूड मटेरियल. दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन ऑफ द सेल मेम्ब्रेन्स और प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. तो टुडे आज हम लोगों ने दो बातें इस पर बात किया, यूकैरियोटिक सेल, व्हाट इज द सेल वॉल, व्हाट इज द सेल मेम्ब्रेन, and what is the general characteristics of eukaryotic cell, as well as what is difference between plant and animal cell. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे. थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे ऑल ऑफ यू.